someone else that can see you?
It's 10-6, and we close at 6, so...
I understand. I know that the soccer game went late, and it's girls' night out tonight. First time it's been so cute. Look at this. Please. Please. Look at this. Thank you. Thank you so much. Excuse me, that's a little tight. That's okay. So, Didi, how long have you been
Straight to YouTube. Straight up on YouTube, yo. Over 2 minutes of video. This nigga snoring something.